Alright guys, welcome back. Basically, all we're doing today is I have a studio session in Nashville. So, first things first, let's get ready. Alright, now let's hit the road.
I-24 west toward I-40 west. In 1.1 miles, take exit 210.
Alrighty. In the mirror, the only thing I see. Sorry, how do I turn a guitar up?
In your eyes, the look of a stranger who's merely passing by.
Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, Zach on the drums. He looking like a bum. Alright. So, are we just doing like a run through? Is there so you said there's one chord progression at the beginning, right? Instead of two?
Yeah, just one. Do you want me to make it two?
Can we throw 2 in?
Sure.
Just so they can have time to experiment.
The times that we had, the times of a stranger.
Let me get my camera device.
Thing I see is a man searching for hope, stuck in reality.
I'm gonna step out there real quick.
I was late on the build, but I feel like it worked either way.
Yeah.
Now I can't wait too much.
Yeah, let's go. AJ saying that is in the record.
We should leave that. I almost want to play like.
Now I know that look in your eyes.
You look stupid.
But other than that, I think we got it.
Alright, yeah.
Check. 1, 2.
You'll be on the right take now, AJ. I'm like that.
The glare's horrible.
So it goes in twice, right? Part it felt like it was just slightly off.
Do we want to try and hit that last part again?
Part again, like we did. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the original, this thing. Let's hit the original take again on the last part with the click because I think that was what was hard to match.
Well, you've had that coffee for like 4 hours.
Okay. I didn't know he was. Okay, let's do that again.
The
Sorry.
vocals definitely weren't on, but the guitar was pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'll give it to you again.
Why does it make sounds? Why does it make sounds when it does it?
There's probably a silence.
So just like go to. Oh, you're hit. Ah.
Right for the mic.
Yeah, that one was great. And then you want to try and double that? What you just did?
Yeah. Yes, we did.
Cool. All right. Get you on this other track. You'll be able to hear. All right. Here you go.
Getting that vibrato in, Runcie. Maybe that's how I wanted it.
Yeah, that's great.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Someone.
Oh, that was when
That was
you.
the pick. I dropped the pick on the couch.
The whole last vocal take I took was like not it.
Now I know the times that we had were the times of a stranger.
It's gonna be a banger.
Who I met in my past.
You know what this song needs? Some cowbell. You should throw my pickup. Oh my gosh. Get one for the gram too.
Now I look in the mirror and the only thing I see is a man searching for hope stuck in reality. And I texted you good morning, and I texted you good night, and I told you that I'm sorry at the end of every fight. 'Cause I care way too much, and I try way too hard, but boy, that's chasing after true love's bound for broken heart. Now I know the look in your eyes, the look of a stranger who's merely passing by.